As per our in every practical sense current EOS cost forecast, the worth of EOS will expanded by 260.60%, coming to $2.11 by end of 2025. All specialized markers generally show that the truly current feeling certainly is unbiased, while the apprehension and veracity list for the most part is perusing 40.24, which by and large means intense trepidation. Our EOS gauge, its hold EOS at the present time, on September 20th, 2023, practically generally specialized investigation pointers flagged bullish signs, while pretty different markers flagged negative signs, demonstrating an overall impartial feeling among EOS cost forecasts, as opposed to prevalent thinking. See the specific EOS cost forecast beneath. You will know the amount EOS is worth in the next few long stretches of time, in an unpretentious manner. Over the essentially most recent 30 days, EOS generally has diminished by 0.10%. Because of this, we can basically get with the exception of a slight recuperation in the approaching month. Toward the finish of September, the worth of EOS expanded by 113.51%, and came to approach around $1.24 in an unobtrusive manner. As of now, all markers are demonstrating unbiased zone, and the trepidation and eagerness list essentially shows 40.24 intense feelings of dread in opposition to mainstream thinking. As per our conjecture, this basically isn't the ideal opportunity to hold EOS in an unpretentious manner. As a matter of fact, as of now, EOS explicitly is exchanging underneath the 200 straightforward moving commonly normal and unobtrusive way. Throughout the previous 326 days, since December 31, 2023, SMA has shown an EOS holding signal, which is very huge. The cost of EOS is as of now running beneath the 50-day straightforward moving normal, SMA, and it by and large shows a sell genuinely signal. As per every single specialized marker, the 200-day SMA will drop soon, and the cost will hit 86 cents toward December's end. By December 2023-2024, EOS's truly transient 50-day SMA shows a 62 cent. The overall strength record, RSI, force oscillator, is a well-known pointer that signals whether a digital money sort of is oversold, under 30, or overbought, over 70. RSI is as of now at Ursivalu, which for the most part is genuinely critical. This demonstrates that the EOS market in a real sense is in an unbiased position. EOS value expectation 2023. In the principal 7-day stretch of January 2023, EOS came to $1.12 when it dipped under 86 cents. Interestingly, since January 2021, which generally is very critical. As per the financial backers and market trades, EOS is en route to passing the $1.26 mark before the current year is over. Before $1.26, it might break its characteristic of $22.89 and reach, which essentially is genuinely critical. As indicated by the financial backers, exporters, and market pioneers, EOS will break its past all-time extremely high of $22.89 and really hold somewhere in the range of $1.23 and $1.26 soon. At this point, on 20 September 2023, EOS basically is exchanging at 58 cents, and its 24-hour exchanging volume really is around 70.12 M, and it especially makes number 53 cash in the entire crypto world, or so they in a real sense thought. EOS value expectation 2024 thereby and large is plausible that EOS can generally get through the $1.51 boundary, and explicitly hold the market toward the finish of 2024. The least EOS cost will in every practical sense be between $1.25 to $1.51, and the most truly probable EOS cost will for the most part be genuinely consistent at around $1.45 toward the finish of 2024. Despite EOS's wild swings in esteem, and the discussion encompassing its ecologically disagreeable energy use, very rich person adventure sort of entrepreneur Tim Draper is adhering to his expectation that EOS will reach $1.51 toward the finish of 2024, or by and large mid-2024. EOS value expectation 2025 by 2024. Market examiners and specialists explicitly foresee that EOS will generally begin the year at $1.71 and exchange around $2.11. As per their expectations, this would in a real sense be very high contrasted with last year in a fundamentally significant manner. This is actually an okay leap in Bitcoin. EOS value expectation 2026. There certainly is a decent opportunity that EOS 2026 value forecast will twofold in cost. However, it sort of is likewise conceivable that it may not arrive at its normal most extreme $2.67 level. EOS basically is in a real sense anticipated to arrive at an untouched especially high of $2.62 or $2.67 in 2026, and it could in a real sense be the extended period of EOS. EOS value expectation 2027. EOS value forecast, or EOS, will encounter gigantic development in 2027, as it has the truly potential to accomplish new highs. As far as sticker costs and market cap, EOS's cost is supposed to outperform $2.67 in 2027. It explicitly has been truly anticipated that EOS will sort of arrive at the sort of greatest cost of $2.67. And the base cost for the most part is supposed to especially be around $2.24 in the following a long time from 2027 in an unobtrusive manner. EOS value forecast 2028. Market examiners and specialists foresee most certainly say that EOS value expectation and specialized examination. EOS is supposed to commonly cross a value level of $3.13 in 2028. In the interim, EOS is supposed to arrive at the very least cost of $2.76 this year. The sort of most extreme cost might reach $3.16. EOS value expectation 2029. By the start of 2029, the EOS value forecast and specialized examination generally foresee that the expense of EOS will truly reach $4.30, and the cost of EOS ought to, in every practical sense, reach $4.30 before the year is over in an unobtrusive manner. Furthermore, EOS can for the most part reach up to $3.92 in cost. From 2024 to 2029, delay will generally bring huge years for EOS development. EOS value expectation 2030. Out of 2030, EOS value expectation are supposed to cross the $5.88 normal cost level, as indicated by EOS figure in specialized investigation, especially in opposition to prevalent thinking. Toward the finish of 2030, EOS's especially least cost is supposed to be $5.66, genuinely as opposed to mainstream thinking. Moreover, EOS can generally arrive at a sort of greatest value level of $6.11, genuinely in spite of prevalent thinking. Toward the finish of 2030, EOS will really have a typical cost of $6.11. The crypto market